Hello and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be tackling the problem of 2 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 2. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently solve similar problems on your own. So let's get started. Step 1. In this step, we will evaluate each exponent separately before performing the addition. First, we will deal with the exponentiation, which involves raising a base number to the power of an exponent. To start, let's take the first part of the expression, 2 raised to the power of 3. This means we need to multiply the number 2 by itself a total of 3 times. So 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 2 times 2 times 2. When we calculate this, 2 times 2 equals 4, and then 4 times 2 equals 8. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Next, we move to the second part of the expression, 4 raised to the power of 2. This means we need to multiply the number 4 by itself a total of 2 times. So 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 4 times 4. When we calculate this, 4 times 4 equals 16. So 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. Now our original expression, 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 2, can be rewritten as 8 plus 16. So after evaluating each exponent separately, the expression is now 8 plus 16. This concludes step 1. Step 2. Now we will perform the addition of the numbers we've obtained from evaluating the exponents. In step 1, we found that 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 8, and 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 16. Our expression is now 8 plus 16. In this step, we will simply add 8 and 16 together. Start by aligning the numbers so they can be added, the number 8 plus the number 16. First, add the digits in the rightmost column, which are 8 and 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Write down the digit 4 and carry over the digit 1 to the next column. Next, add the carried over 1 to the leftmost column, which also contains 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So our final number is 24. Therefore, the original expression has been simplified to 24. Since we are left with a whole number, 24, there are no further steps needed as it's already in its simplest form. This concludes step 2 and also finalizes the solution to the problem. So the simplified result of the integer exponent problem 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 2 is 24. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.